Yeah.
Because you're a massive 50% of that relationship, so if you change 50% of it. You definitely fancy one of the big savings.
No, I don't think that's talking about.
They like Daniel.
Yeah. That's really good. He likes Daniel as well. He lied. It makes you think. Right. She doesn't run because she won't mind. She sort of keeps a good distance.
She knows when they're needing to. You can't see them all then.
That's just nice slow power. Nice and slow. If I did a wedding, it'd be 2 cameras. Watch your priorities.
I want to film when they're outside on the grass.
She put on 10 ounces.
They won't fit on the scale
That's
anymore.
not, I can't. It's that,
They won't fit on the scale, that's why they're difficult. I think they've just got too big.
okay,
Honestly, I can't let go
Okay,
because they're too big.
that's not right.
Oh dear.
But you in scales.
Good afternoon. Hi, Grace. How you doing?
Scales is supposed to be fine.
You're not
isn't it?
coming home?
Wade's ended, I think.
Look at it back to it. Look at that. It's looking at that one, Kathleen.
Right.
That one's tucking away at that one. Like a rose. Look at that fight. My little puppy dog.
You're much heavier, aren't you, big boy? Oops.
It's like St. Bernard.
Scoot in, give him a drink.
312.
No, she's not.
The biggest one.
Oh, that's my favourite.
G. See if you can fit in the bar. You in? Come on, pause it. Oopsie. God, he's so heavy. Right.
She weighed.
£4.4.
That is nearly a whole pound bloody heavier than that one.
Simon will tell me off the time. Don't watch. Right, who's this one? This one's Minstrel.
face, Gansy face.
Sarah's a light woman.
This is
No,
Broke the camera.
yeah.
God, you're lively.
Oh, who's that?
This is Darwin.
Darwin's gorgeous too.
This is next other favourite.
Who's?
Next other favourite. 313.
Darwin's Oh, I'm scrapping that bit.
Daniel and this is T.
Where's the tea? Is that Mrs. T?
Yeah, she's got T on her back.
She's cute.
She is. They have all put on a huge amount.
Yeah, it looks pretty healthy.
Right, Daniel, where's Daniel? Daniel. There we go. Done.
Pinchy's chewing already. I wouldn't have Pinchy. There you go. Pinchy's chewing already. Does she know some individuals?
Does she?
She seems to. She seems to see us a group, doesn't she? Or a pack? Just a group.
She's never worried about.
She seems to know what she's doing, doesn't she?
She's never worried about. Right, it's done it. They're all waving. And they're filmed.
You can have a little feature film when I go home. I'll send it you. I'll put that home. She's that.
Yeah, put it on YouTube.
I will.
Yeah. Quick, form stocks, fast stocks.
Sarah, can you have the light in the right place, please? Keep it still, Sarah. Keep the light still. Thank you.
I'll do Simon.
I do hope that puppy's for sale. Right,
Yeah.
this